Hi everyone, welcome back to the Yarn Symphony. In this tutorial I want to crochet a bow bookmark. For this bookmark I used simple yarn and the mohair yarn. The mohair is optional. If you don't want to use it, it's okay. You just can use the simple yarn. Let's crochet. This is my 3mm hook. And I need a tail of the simple yarn and a tail of the mohair yarn. Now first of all, let's make one slip knot with the both tails like this. Now insert your hook. Now you need to chain 7. So 1, 2, you see I'm working with the both tails. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we need one more chain. Now we have 8 chains. In the third chain from the hook, I want to make a half double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, insert your hook. Make 3 loops, yarn over, and pull through all the 3 loops. So this was one half double crochet. Again in the next one, one half double crochet, again, okay, now I have 6 half double crochets. Now I want to turn the work. In the very first stitch under the V shape, I'm gonna make one single crochet like that, and in the second loop that you see in here, I'm gonna make another single crochet. This is the first half double crochet. Now again in the next one, this is the end of the row 2. Now again I want to turn the work. One single crochet in the very first stitch and 2 single crochets. Again. You need to crochet until the row 15. So crochet these 15 rows and then I'm gonna be here. Okay, this is the end of the row 15. Now I want to use the simple yarn. If you only use the simple yarn, so just keep working. Now I want to chain 1. Now in here, I want to make 5 double crochets. So insert your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I'm going to insert my hook. There's no rule to insert your hook inside of these loops. You need to just find a proper one. This is the size of the 5 double crochets. So I'm going to choose this one and make 5 double crochets. Now in here, you see this is going to be enough. I'm going to insert my hook and make one slip stitch. Again, I guess here is good. Five double crochets, and again in here, you see it looks proper. One slip stitch. You need to keep doing this until here. Okay, when you get here, you need to insert your hook inside of there and make one slip stitch. Now just let me cut the mohair yarn. You need a tail. I'm gonna make 2 parts of 5 double crochets in here. So first one, 5 double crochets. Now I'm gonna insert it here and make 1 slip stitch. Now again, 5 double crochets in here. Now again, insert it in here and make 1 slip stitch. So you need to keep making them until here, which is the end of the round. Okay, now after the last slip stitch, I'm gonna cut the yarn. Now I want to hide the tails. Now it's time to crochet the bow. You can choose any color that you want. First, make 1 slip knot. Insert your hook. Now you need to chain 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. After the 50 chains, I want to cut the yarn. Let's save the ends. Okay, and cut this. The other side. Now I want to make a bow. So like this first. Now you need to use glue to connect the bow to the bookmark. This is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit subscribe for any future videos. See you guys!